It is all coming from here and here. All right, that's kind of cheesy. What's up, mi gente? Welcome to your favorite channel. Just kidding, if it's not your favorite channel, I hope it is, and hope you have subscribed by now. To click the button right below your screen right there. 1 second. Right now, I don't know nothing about this fragrance. I'm gonna be honest with you. So I got this fragrance by Influenster. Again, thank you so much. I love you.
But before we continue watching this video, I just want to say that I received these products for free from Influencer and Azzaro in exchange for my honest review.
So it is on my bag right now. I'm gonna pull it out. It is all wrapped and beautiful. And let's reveal it together. Here it is. This is a very quick tip about fragrances. There is some synthetic fragrances that those are the ones that might smell the same in everybody. When you're working with niche fragrances, a little bit more high-end, a little more bougie, they tend to not use a lot of synthetic ingredients in them, and that was gonna make a difference on the person that wears the fragrance. Moving on. Azzaro, the most wanted. Isn't that sexy? Azzaro, the most wanted. And let's open him up. My very first fragrance that I received by Influencer. I love you. Thank you for doing this and for giving me the opportunity to actually talk about this fragrance. So far, before I even open the box, it's very masculine. It has like that grayish black box. Some people don't care about the box, but I am very detail oriented. I pay attention to those things. Most important, I'm big into bottle design. Let's see. Okay. Very masculine, nice and simple, but it has this kind of cool thing on the top. I cannot tell what it is. Maybe you guys know. You can tell me. But it's very cool. It is almost like Spice Bomb. You know, like the by Victor and Rolf. It is a bottle that it looks like a grenade. It's giving me those vibes. Very masculine. It looks intense. Eau De Parfum Intense, you guys. I'm just imagining it's gonna be very warm, more for the evening. La vie est une fête. I can't speak it. Let's say it in English. Life is a celebration. Step into the light and enjoy the moment. It's your time to shine. All right, bottle feels great. Very good design. Let's cut to the chase. Let's do it. Oh, okay, I'm getting it. Ooh. Okay, I'm not even kidding you. I'm not exaggerating. This is quite amazing. It is quite amazing. Oh my god. I love it. Okay. Inspiration-wise, it's actually for being Eau De Parfum Intense. It is not. I was imagining woodsy and a little bit oriental. I'm not getting those vibes at all. It's actually almost like clean. Like I feel that I just stepped out of the shower and it smells very masculine. Like, I don't know, it's clean, but it's sexy. It has like a little spice to it. It has like a little kick. Not too woodsy either. Get a little bit of citrus, a little bit of floral almost. It has a little floral. It's like a little floral, a little bit of fresh, and a little bit of warmth to it. So I don't know if it's coming from wood, tobacco, I'm not sure. You can wear this during daytime without a problem. Very good. Sometimes when I go to the store, I don't care about the notes. I could care less. The only time I could care about the notes if I'm buying something online to give me like a little bit of a guidance. Fragrance is something that you have to experience by yourself because fragrance is very personal. My personal opinion on this is fresh. It's actually very sexy. You can wear this day or night. Very, very handsome model. She's very, very, very handsome, very cute. Very skinny. I wish I was that skinny. Bit of wood and the amber. That's what I smelled earlier. The notes are cardamom, caramel. Oh, who doesn't like caramel? Yes, caramel. So I'm getting a Caramel Machiatto right now. Woody amber. I gotta tell you, I sprayed it about 5 minutes ago. So for being Eau De Parfum Intense, it's wearing down pretty quickly. It might carry throughout the day on a soft way. So don't be afraid of the name Parfum Intense, because I know it can be intimidating. You see this box is so dark. If I had not sprayed this, probably just looking at it, I'd be like, no, I'm not gonna try it, but it's deceiving because when I sprayed it, it doesn't smell like... It's some fragrances when you look at the bottle, it kind of reflects the fragrance of the bottle, and you're like, okay, I can see almost a resemblance. In this case, I would maybe have chosen a lighter color in the bottle, maybe like an amber color. Also the Azzaro, it is engraved at the bottom, which you cannot see unless you really touch it. I would have made this a little bit lighter so the Azzaro name will pop a little bit more from the bottle. And that's just more a design aesthetic wise. I like the amber and the caramel. I think those are the star ingredients on this fragrance. It's that sweetness with that kick of the wood. It's not too woodsy, it's just a little kick of the wood, and then you're gonna be experiencing more on the amber and the caramel. Beautiful notes on a fragrance, I love it. It might sound that it would be great for fall. I would say so, it will carry great for fall. If you wanna wear it now during the summertime, I think you could, it will not hurt because again, it's not too strong. If I would create a fragrance, I would play with some of these notes because I like that. I feel like I'm walking to Starbucks right now. It's a fragrance that I will buy for sure. This one is $102. Think about wine. People pay $1,000 on a bottle of wine. It's because they enjoy it, they like it. The same with a fragrance. It's about what you feel, what is your niche, what do you like to collect. I'm a fragrance collector myself. So very quick update on the fragrance. It's been several hours since I sprayed the fragrance for the review, and it has toned down quite a bit, but it's still there. So plan about this fragrance to really be noticeable on your skin for a good 5 to 6 hours. And after that, it's just gonna really be wearing down based on your body chemistry. Give me that impression of intense, which is not a bad thing, by the way, if you're not into that very intense wood, that, you know, very macho, masculine type of fragrance. This is not like that. This is actually wearing very subtle, very gentle, very elegant. The amber, the caramel with those hints of wood, it makes it very pleasant to wear for summer, not too strong. Again, this has been several hours after spraying it, and it's beautiful. Very good fragrance for anyone that you like, that you love, or for yourself if you love yourself. I want to smell sexy and elegant and sophisticated and all those things. All right, thank you for watching my review. If you have any more questions, I would love to do more research for you about any fragrance that you might have questions about. And if you have any questions about this fragrance specifically, please let me know because I would love to answer any questions that you might have. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again in another episode of Fashion Beauty in the Mix, where you will find answers to all things beauty, all things fashion, and all things fragrance as well. All right, love you all. Until next time. Gosh, it's been a minute. I haven't been here in my studio. Been traveling a lot lately, and it's been a lot of fun, a lot of vlogging, which I'm learning a lot of different techniques to film, so that's kind of cool. Here I'm playing with the lighting here in the studio. Hope it's good, it's presentable. I'm preparing also to speak about a Shein haul I want to do actually for you guys. This is actually Shein. I love it. I don't want to talk about it because I'm going to make a haul with all the beautiful wardrobe that I got. Okay, let's see. You're going to start now.